So this is a demo video from differences between the FDG as well as the Flutter app on My Routes page, especially as you can see at the top right corner here you can see the auto navigate and clear data logout functionalities. Clear data will work as a full restore for all the routes at a time. Autosync is not available here actually. Autosync is completely backend and we cannot stop the autosync, and face ID and everything that is already available, while in our regular app we will have this, and email log is not available for Flutter app because the email logs will be sent every 30 minutes by user actions. And in case of FDG we need to click on select and select particular routes, and you have two actions, sync and restore buttons. But in case of Flutter, both can be done in a single action, that is slide sync. You can do multiple slide syncs with multiple things at a time. You can check. One is already synced at once, then it will be called as a delta sync. It won't take much time. Whenever there is a delta reading or delta data available, it will download. Then the second one, RSP06, is a full slide sync, which is after clear data or after fresh install. At least the route is not synced at least once, then we will see this. So you can see new metadata available. A pop-up will be coming up whenever the admin make any metadata changes, and a red dot will be available. A red dot will be available showing that metadata is available and can be downloaded by slide sync. And you can do the multiple slide sync by selecting like this also. I have actually clicked on the bottom right corner on orange button. So click on those, select those, and you can do slide sync. You can see this completed quickly because it is delta, not the full sync. And you can see the number of stops and last how many seconds ago the route sync has happened, and are there any unsynced records. It shows all synced records under the route name, and no exceptions are available for the same. So this is one difference we have. You can see shift on and off button over here. So when the shift off itself, we can actually go and access the route objects, those things with shift off as well. Now coming to the route stats, when you slide sync you will see two options. One is to sync, one is for stats. When you click on stats, currently these stats will have how many records got restored, upgraded, synced, how many images got uploaded on manual sync, not on auto sync but manual sync as of now. And coming to the another point, we can see there is a red dot. That means a metadata is available. You might have observed the push notification came up while we are working on this. So that metadata update, new config available, is the indication with red dot. When you do a simple slide sync, it will automatically download that metadata and it will restore the recent data as well. For in case of FDG, you won't get any notification like that. You have to do a full restore for all the routes or the route in which you want to use for that metadata to come in. That is the difference we can see. And you can also see here, when you click on that analytics icon, you will go to the UOR page and you can change the date. But here in this case, that UOR facility not available here. Directly once you select the route, you will have as a separate tab. And DR count, this what you can see, 11, 21, these are all the DR count you can see in the My Routes page. But here we show them in the My Day page, which can be accessible once the shift is on. You can see the number of events available, open events available. So these are the different user actions and the UI fixes for my route screen when compared to the FDG on the Flutter.